What happens when the world's most powerful AI company feels betrayed by the man leading the AI revolution? What happens when the genius behind ChatGPT leans toward AMD instead of the trillion-dollar titan that powered his entire rise? Today, we dive into the explosive tensions between Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman after a shocking move that shook Silicon Valley. A move that some insiders call the ultimate betrayal. For years, Nvidia was the backbone of OpenAI. When Sam Altman built the early versions of ChatGPT, when he trained GPT-3, GPT-4, and the models that stunned the world, it was Nvidia's powerful GPUs doing the heavy lifting. But everything changed when Sam Altman made a bold, unexpected pivot. A pivot toward AMD, Nvidia's biggest rival. And what happened next has sparked rumors, accusations, and heated tension behind closed doors. A dramatic power shift that could reshape the entire future of AI. The rise of a partnership. Before the drama, before the betrayal, there was a partnership that changed the world. OpenAI needed compute. Nvidia had the world's most advanced chips. Simple. Nvidia's H100, A100, and now their Blackwell chips became the engine of generative AI, and Sam Altman was one of the early visionaries who bet big on them. OpenAI was buying thousands, then tens of thousands, until they became one of Nvidia's largest customers on the planet. Bold prediction. Without Nvidia, ChatGPT wouldn't exist, and without ChatGPT, Nvidia might not be worth over $2 trillion. It was a perfect marriage, until it wasn't. The first cracks in the relationship. Behind the scenes, Sam Altman realized something terrifying. OpenAI was becoming too dependent on Nvidia. Nvidia controlled the hardware. Nvidia controlled the supply, Nvidia controlled the pricing, and Nvidia was selling every GPU they could produce to everyone, from Google to Meta to Tesla to Amazon. OpenAI was competing with entire big tech giants, just to get the GPUs they needed. This wasn't sustainable. Altman needed an alternative, and that's when he turned to AMD, the move that sparked the explosion. In late 2023 and 2024, Sam Altman quietly began working more closely with AMD. AMD unveiled their MI300 chips, a direct competitor to Nvidia's H100. Altman saw an opportunity: lower cost, large availability, fast performance improvements. A company hungry to take Nvidia's throne. So Sam Altman did the unthinkable. He announced that OpenAI would begin using AMD chips for future AI training. That alone was big. But what came next? That's what sent shockwaves through Nvidia. Jensen Huang's reaction: a betrayal. To understand the emotional impact, you need to know this. Jensen Huang doesn't just run Nvidia, he is Nvidia. He built it from nothing. He turned it into the most important tech company in the world. And he considers Nvidia's partners as part of a family. So when Sam Altman went public with his AMD collaboration, after years of Nvidia powering OpenAI's success, industry insiders say Jensen felt blindsided. Some reports even describe it as a personal betrayal. Because OpenAI wasn't just buying a few chips, they were announcing a shift in loyalty, a signal to the world: Nvidia is no longer our only partner. AMD is now a serious player in the AI war. Nvidia's investors panicked, AMD's stock exploded, and the narrative shifted overnight. The real reason: Sam Altman pivoted. Here's where things get really interesting. Sam Altman didn't just move to AMD out of anger or frustration. He moved because he is planning something far bigger: OpenAI's own AI chip empire. A massive global supply chain for AI compute. A vision of producing millions of custom chips a year. A complete breakaway from Nvidia in the long term. To build this empire, he needs alternatives, leverage, competition, and political alliances. AMD was the first step. Some insiders say Altman wants AI to be as cheap and abundant as electricity. And Nvidia, with its tight supply and high prices, made that impossible. Nvidia's counterattack, Jensen Huang, is not the kind of man you surprise. Within months of Altman's AMD move, Nvidia made counter-moves. They announced Blackwell, the most powerful AI chip in history. They expanded partnerships with every major cloud company. They accelerated software innovation. CUDA remains Nvidia's secret weapon. They made it harder than ever for rivals to catch up. But the biggest comeback? Nvidia positioned itself not just as a chip maker, but as the entire AI infrastructure of the world. A move meant to make any betrayal irrelevant. The tension reaches boiling point. The tech world began whispering, did Sam Altman really just betray Nvidia? Is Jensen furious? Will this break their partnership? On stage at several conferences, Jensen Huang made subtle comments that many analysts interpreted as shade toward OpenAI. He praised competitors like Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla, but noticeably avoided highlighting OpenAI the way he used to. He emphasized loyalty, long-term relationships, and commitment, words some say were indirect messages to Sam Altman. Meanwhile, Sam Altman continued pushing AMD chips in interviews, praising their innovation and pricing. To many observers, this wasn't business. This was a Cold War. What this means for the future of AI. This isn't just a drama between two CEOs. This affects the price of AI computing, the speed of AI innovation, the future of AGI, who controls the next decade of technology. If Nvidia continues to dominate, AI growth will depend on one company. If AMD rises with OpenAI's support, the industry becomes more competitive, faster, and cheaper. And if Sam Altman builds his own chips, then we enter an era where AI companies become self-sufficient, no longer relying on tech giants. This battle is not about hardware, it's about the future of intelligence itself. The secret truth: they still need each other. Here's the twist. Even after all the drama, OpenAI still uses Nvidia GPUs. And Nvidia still counts OpenAI as one of its biggest customers. Because despite tension, betrayal, or rivalry, Nvidia remains the gold standard of AI hardware. OpenAI remains the leading driver of AI demand. This relationship may be strained, but it's not broken yet. The shadow players behind the scenes. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. Behind the public drama, powerful shadow players, from global chip manufacturers to government-backed investors, are quietly choosing sides. These silent forces are fueling the Nvidia, AMD, OpenAI triangle, shaping supply chains, pushing political influence, and deciding who gets priority access to the world's most advanced chips. Because in this new era of AI, control isn't just about technology, it's about geopolitics. What happens next? 3 possible futures. 1. OpenAI goes all in on AMD. This accelerates AMD's rise, challenges Nvidia's dominance, and lowers AI costs worldwide. 2. Sam Altman builds his own chip empire. This could overturn the entire semiconductor industry, making OpenAI independent. 3. Nvidia and OpenAI repair the relationship. A renewed partnership could create the fastest AI growth the world has ever seen. Whatever happens next, this rivalry is far from over, and the world of AI will never be the same. The AI revolution is no longer just about intelligence. It's about power, alliances, betrayal, and who controls the future of the digital world. Sam Altman made his move. Jensen Huang countered, and now the battlefield is set. Who will win? Nvidia, AMD, or OpenAI itself? One thing is certain, the future of AI will be shaped by the decisions being made right now. Decisions that will define the next century. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest shifts in tech, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, so you don't miss the next chapter in the war for AI supremacy, because trust me, this story is just beginning.